words become a burden with feelings this strong. Don't protect me when you're grieving. Stop asking why or wondering how long. Let me be your silent candle when darkness steals your light. Only breathing, loving, waiting. Please lay down your sword. Please stop the fight, and I will hold space for you. I will keep a vigil by the altar of your aching heart. Rising deeper, knowing taller, seeing love can sometimes falter, even as it falls apart.
Sad times come with no warning. Some days we just pretend to be strong. A shattered dream, a faded rainbow slows the pulse of your true heart song. Sometimes it's brave not to fight, instead surrender and fall. Ever longing, aching, weeping, I promise you won't be alone through it all. And I will hold space for you. I will keep a vigil by the altar of your aching heart. Rising deeper, breathing taller. We can better heal if we know it's safe to fall apart.
Come home when you're ready.
There's no schedule, no clock to obey. A rising tide to lift you up again.
And soon we'll both be strong enough to say,
I will hold space for you. We will keep a vigil by the altar of another broken heart.
Loving taller, rising deeper.
Knowing love recovers if you let us take your part.
I will hold space for you. We will keep a vigil by the altar of another broken heart.
Knowing love recovers, I know it will recover if you let us take your part.